Okay, today we're going to share with you a popular or world-renowned beef dish, actually very close to our heart. It's called the beef rendang. So we have for this, not in particular order, we have the ginger, and we have the garlic, we have the turmeric powder. You can use fresh turmeric. Chili powder, you too can use fresh chilies. We have the aromatics, okay, the lemongrass, Kaffir lime leaf, limau purut, okay, and we have the turmeric leaf, the galangal, shallots, the main hero ingredient, of course, beef cut in cubes, and santan and salt. So now we're going to prepare by blending in all the ingredients. Okay, we have ginger. We're going to use this alongside the galangal. Right? Be sure to break down. It's ideal that you chop them as small, as fine as possible. Yeah? Shallot is already so small, it's fine. But for garlic, I need you to pay attention. Garlic is important that you crush them. Yeah? Alright, so these are all the ingredients that we're going to blend. We're going to add coconut milk. So we're going to add around 180 shallots, garlic, here, and we're going to add turmeric powder, chili powder. If you want more heat, you can always add more. So I have 1, 2, 3 items on the cutting board, so 5, 6, 7. All these to be blended as per the recipes, yeah? Right, so this is the overall result of the blended paste. The lemongrass, okay, we start with that. Most important thing is to remove the outer sleeve. And remove these tough roots. And now we have the turmeric leaf. Okay, 1 turmeric leaf for 1 portion. And then you just tie them to knot. So now we have come to the third method, the third way, using a pressure cooker. Okay, so this is a pressure cooker. This is going to add the spice paste. So I'm going to stir fry first, yeah. Okay, with this machine, you can actually cut short your tenderizing of beef. So you don't have to go and cook over the stove for 2 to 3 hours. I'm going to add the aromatics. Once you see the steam rises, then you know that's a good indication that it's ready to add in your beef. Okay, so I'm going to pour the rest of the liquid and then I'm going to set it to cook. So once inside, log, I change the settings to beef and lamb, pressure at 60 kPa, and you're going to start. Okay, that's it. You're free to do any other things for another half an hour. Okay, meanwhile, I'm going to demonstrate to you how to chiffonade the Kaffir lime leaf. So what's going to happen is that we're going to just remove the stem and you're going to use a knife and then just rocking motion. Okay, you have this ribbon which you are going to dress the rendang later. Okay, just leave this aside. So now the pressure cooker is already indicating it's ready for me to continue cook uncovered. Right? The gravy is still there. Okay, the steam did not escape much. Basically, it releases the pressure. So just going to cook, sauteing. So soon you see the oil breaks apart, like what we call it, pecah minyak. Then you see a lot of oil resurface, right? And at the same time, it will turn caramelizing brown. Okay, so the one in on pressure cooker is already ready. Big chunk. Imagine if you serve small chunk, basically it will lose its shape. Then we garnish them. There you go. Rendang. The first to give you the result, the last to start. This goes to show if you have a pressure cooker, you know how to work around it to achieve the result of exactly how you enjoy rendang outside in no time. This is my version together with Keep It Simple and Sedap, the halal way, lesser than many other rendang ingredients, but as tasty as the rest. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have enjoyed my healthy and halal take on today's recipe. If you want more simple and sedap recipes, be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media. This video is produced and edited by The Muse Productions. You can find them at www.musepl.com.